How do I manage to start a conversation with anyone?
Starting a conversation with someone new can be daunting, but it's a valuable skill that can lead to new friendships and connections. Here are some tips to help you initiate conversations with confidence. 1. Find common ground. Observe your surroundings. Pay attention to what's happening around you. Are you at a conference, a coffee shop, or a social event? Look for shared interests or experiences.
Ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, ask questions that encourage conversation. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like this event?" ask, "What do you think of the speaker's presentation?"
Share something about yourself. Revealing a bit about yourself can make the conversation more personal and engaging.
For example, you could say, "I'm really interested in topic. What about you?" 2. Be an active listener. Give your full attention.
Maintain eye contact. Nod and use verbal affirmations like "I see" or "That's interesting." Ask follow-up questions. Show genuine interest in what the other person is saying by asking questions like, "Tell me more about that," or "How did that make you feel?"
Avoid interrupting. Let the other person finish speaking before you respond. 3. Practice positive body language. Smile. A smile can make you appear more approachable and friendly. Maintain good posture. Stand or sit up straight, and avoid crossing your arms or legs. Use open gestures. Use gestures like open palms and welcoming handshakes to show that you're open to conversation. 4. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. People can sense when you're being fake or insincere.
Be confident. Believe in yourself and your ability to connect with others. Have fun. Enjoy the conversation and the opportunity to meet new people. Here are some specific conversation starters you can use.
Comment on your surroundings. "I love the artwork in this room." Ask a question. "What brings you to this event?" Share an observation. "It's really hot in here, isn't it?" Compliment the other person. "I love your clothing item or accessory." Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and to show genuine interest in the other person.
With practice, you will become more confident in starting conversations and building connections.